Hey guys, if ChatGPT is starting to remember things you wish it would have forgotten like a while ago, you're not alone. And there's a simple fix that most people don't know about. So we're going to get into it right away. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to clear ChatGPT's memory and why you might want to do this. So just in case you're new to the channel, my name's Giuseppe. This is AI Business Lab, and I've been helping people master AI tools like ChatGPT for a couple of years now. What most people don't realize is that ChatGPT actually stores two different types of memories. There's your conversation history, which you can see, and then there's also a hidden custom instructions memory, which learns your preferences over time. Before I get into and show you all the exact steps, remember, like and subscribe if you found any value here. It's all super appreciated, and I'm super grateful that you've come to hang out. If you're in ChatGPT, even the free version that you can see here, you might be getting a warning that your memory is full, right? If you just sign in, and even if you're using the free version, you get a little warning. It'll say, hey, your memory's full. And then you're like, oh, well, I don't know why that matters. Like, I don't know what the case is. So I'll show you an example. The button's gone now because I did a bit of cleaning. And then I realized that, I should probably showcase a little bit of this to you guys so you can kind of work it out for yourself. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go into settings. And if you go into personalization, you're going to see here memory 90% full, 93% full. Now, this isn't super helpful when you're trying to create tasks or work on new projects or anything like that. And I do have videos about like project specific stuff, which definitely check out. They'll be on my channel. In the meantime, though, references save memories. Now, if this is even this high, it's already a lot. So all we're going to do here, we're going to click on manage memories. And you can see once full, new memories won't be saved. So you're going to scroll on the bottom, which is probably like your oldest one. And you can see here, planning a trip, right? Like, I don't need that anymore. So let's forget that. Just forget all this stuff. Because like, there's no real point in keeping all this. Or you could just go delete all. So let's just delete all, kind of start fresh. Now, when you go back here, it says memory cleared. And we can go into settings to confirm. There you go. So now when you write stuff, whatever it happens to be, you can start fresh. Anyways, make sure to clear the memory of anything that's not super useful to you. And if you found this useful, unlike the saved memories you're not using anymore, remember to like and subscribe, drop a comment on if there's anything you want me to check out. And thank you so much for joining me watching the end. If you did, you're an absolute legend. Peace.